First thing I think of when it comes to Nevada City is outdoor lifestyle. And one of my favorite parts is the endless hiking and biking trails.
Yeah, well, right now we're at Cascade Canal Trail, and we're only 3 minutes from our featured property. One 12609 Valley View Road, Nevada City. 1,200 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, tucked in this quiet neighborhood. Let's go explore.
From the main entrance, you walk into this great room and you're immediately greeted by the warmth of the fireplace. And on the right, you have your living area.
As we move to the left, we have your dining and this spacious kitchen.
Off the kitchen, you have a full pantry, guest bath, and 2 guest bedrooms.
I really like this upstairs primary suite. It has nice separation and privacy.
What a great setting for an entertainment deck. I really like this property.
Me too. Call us today to start living your outdoor life.